Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of buying an iPhone on credit at Best Buy. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing device or make your first purchase, we've got you covered. Step 1. Research your options. Before heading to Best Buy, take some time to research the different iPhone models available. Consider factors like size, storage capacity, and features that suit your needs. Check out reviews and compare prices online to ensure you're making an informed decision. Step 2. Check your credit score. Before applying for credit, it's essential to know your credit score. A higher credit score can help you secure better financing options. You can check your credit score for free through various online services or directly through your bank. Step 3. Visit Best Buy's website or store. You can start your iPhone purchase either online on Best Buy's official website or by visiting a physical store. If you're visiting a store, make sure to find the location nearest to you and check their inventory online to ensure they have the model you're interested in. Step 4. Choose your iPhone and select payment options. Once you've decided on the iPhone model, add it to your cart if you're shopping online, or take it to the checkout if you're in store. Best Buy offers various financing options through their partnership with credit companies. Make sure to select the option that allows you to pay with credit. Step 5. Apply for credit. If you don't already have a Best Buy credit card, you will need to apply for one. You can do this online during the checkout process or in-store. Fill out the required information, including your employment details and income. Be prepared for a quick credit check, which typically takes just a few minutes. Step 6. Review the financing plan. After your credit application is approved, take a moment to review the financing plan. Best Buy often provides promotional financing options, such as no interest if paid in full within a certain period. Ensure you understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. Step 7. Complete your purchase. Once you're satisfied with the financing terms, complete your purchase. If you're shopping online, you'll receive a confirmation email. If you're in store, you'll receive a receipt along with information about your credit account. Step 8. Set up your iPhone. After receiving your new iPhone, follow the setup instructions included in the box. Make sure to transfer data from your previous phone if needed, and explore all the new features your upgraded device has to offer. Remember, buying on credit requires responsible management of payments to avoid high interest rates. Always ensure you can make your monthly payments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new iPhone.